Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. Today we have come here. We wanna make some black tea today, so that it's a kind morning and it is very cold here, so people need black tea here. And I'm gonna show you some flavors that I am going to use. It's in the garden here, so let me go and show you where we planted it. Well, here we are. This is the lemongrass here. This is the one that I'm going to use like the flavor here. From the village here, this is what we use to make our black tea here. So this is how I black it here. It has a kind of smell, a kind of flavor that you usually make it with tea. It tastes very nice. This is it. This is the lemongrass here. This is the one that we usually use to add on our black tea and any other tea that you want to make. It makes it very, very, very tasty. Actually, this is the pot that I'm going to use here. Also, I am going to use the grinded sorghum with. That is the one that I'm going to make it with. Also, I have some ginger here and the lemongrass that as I told you. So I have to put this one on the fire. So I add some water here. Add some water. That's the water. This is the lemongrass here. You can fold it nicely here, like this. And then I have to rinse it. Now kind of rinsing it like this. Because of the soil from the garden, I have to rinse it like this. And then what I have to do, I have to dip it in the water here. In the boiling water. Let me add some firewood. Remember, this is from the village here, the village girl. Today I'm making black tea here. Black tea is our favorite here, as you can see. We enjoy black tea when it is very cold in the morning here. Let's wait for it to boil. As I told you earlier, I'm gonna use some ginger paste. This is the ginger paste here. You can see it. And then I'm gonna mix it with the other stuff, like this stuff. So I wanna cover it. I'm gonna cover it for it to boil. So we leave it to boil. We wait here, and all my viewers, you will be very much happy for this flavor here that I'm going to use today. I've never made some black tea here, but today I need you to enjoy my video as you watch, as we wait it to boil. I can't wait it to boil. Actually, let me show you how it is boiling here. We remove the reed. You can see how green it is now. You can see how green it is. So from here I'm gonna add some sorghum. As I told you, this is the grinded sorghum. This is the one that I'm gonna add on inside the other stuff, as you can see here. I can feel the smell. It's very, very, very nice and tasty. Very nice and tasty. You're gonna enjoy. Let me see when it's ready. Actually, I have to mix it. Wow, I can feel the wow. I don't know how I'll explain to you. It is very, very, it's smelling very tasty. Let me remove it. Let me show you how it looks. This is how it looks actually. Let me put it in the cup. Here it is. See the fog here. Very, very, very tasty. From here, then I'll add some sugar. This is the sugar here. This is where we keep our sugar here. So I'll add some sugar on inside my black tea. Wow. You can smell it. Very tasty, very tasty, very tasty. It's very hot. Wow. 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 Actually, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, leave some comments here. This is a kind way of supporting me here in the village. Believing to 1,000 subscribers, the Lord of 1,000 subscribers. Kindly support me. I love you all. I love all my viewers, all the people who come back here to watch my channel. This is it. Wow. You can see. The taste of ginger. If you have some cold, it removes all the there is some things that get stuck here. It removes all the things. They call them, I don't know, milkers. That is it. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao. Bye. Bye bye.